to the library. It's a place where I love to be. Look in a book, here's a story for you. Who makes stories when the day is through? Who makes stories when the day is through? Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun.
Byron Wordsworth.
Jelly and Jackson,
working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers, stories are fabulous, stories are fun. Come and be a story maker.
Oh, look at the time. Time to go home. Are we all packed up? Yeah? Okay, come on, let's get home. Come on, Jade. There you go, that's good.
Story makers. Story makers. Story makers.
It's midnight in the library. Hello.
time for all story makers to come out. Are you ready?
The sun is down, the stars are bright. Story makers come out at night. Hi, story maker. I'm Byron. Byron Wordsworth, here to make some magic and lots of stories.
Oh, honestly, Jelly, I'm feeling better. Really, I am.
Well, you don't look better, Jackson.
Oh.
Look in the mirror.
Ah! Jelly, what have you done to me?
It's all right. You're just a bit poorly. Yeah? Let's see what the doctor thinks.
Oh, that's not a doctor, that's Byron. Oh, Byron, help me, please.
Oh, what's up, my man? Hey, Jax, you look like you've got a spot of dottyspottyitis.
No, Byron, it's a game.
Oh, I see.
Yeah? Will you be the doctor?
Oh, well, I suppose I could be.
Yeah.
Abracazoo!
Oh.
I could be Dr. Foster.
Doctor who?
Dr. Foster.
Is he famous?
Oh, yes, my sweet one. A Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. Now, he stepped in a puddle, whoop, right up to his middle.
Oh.
And you know what?
What?
He never went there again.
I say it again, Doctor. Yeah.
Anything for you, my sweet nurse. A Dr. Foster went to Gloucester in a shower of rain. Now, he stepped in a puddle, whoop, right up to his middle.
Yeah.
And?
He never went there again. Yeah.
No. What seems to be the trouble, Mr. Pink?
Oh, don't scratch, Jackson.
I'm not scratching. I want to get rid of them. Oh, help me, Byron.
No problem, Jax. Dr. Byron's got the magical cure. Abracazoo!
Oh, thanks, but there's one left on my nose.
Oh, no worries, Jax. That's a story spot.
A
story spot?
That's right.
Oh.
Come on. Let's put it in the story machine.
Oh.
Yeah.
In it goes. Now, hit us with those magic words. Imagine. Imagine. Imagine a story.
Oh, it's a playbook.
Ooh, and it's called Spot.
Today, Connor is going to play in the park. But it's raining.
Hi, Connor. You can come shopping with me instead.
But Connor does mind, and he doesn't want to go shopping. He'd rather stay here and play. Play-Doh would be fun. Oh, but the Play-Doh tub is empty, and the green pizza is still cooking. Better leave that alone. Teddy might want it for tea. Connor thinks it might have stopped raining. No, there are still umbrellas and puddles outside. What else can he do? I know, painting. But where are the brushes? Not here. Here they are. A nice, bright sunshine yellow. That will cheer Connor up. If Connor paints sunshine, maybe the rain will stop. We're going soon, Connor, calls Mum. Are you ready? Connor doesn't answer. He really doesn't want to go shopping. What colour are chickenpox spots? Green, yellow, blue? Connor thinks they're red. The paintbrush feels wet and tickly. How many spots will he need? Connor looks very spotty. Mum tucks him up in a blanket on the sofa.
I think you must have caught chickenpox, Connor. You won't be able to go to the party tomorrow.
Connor looked worried and ran off to the bathroom. Connor doesn't like having a wash, but this is important, and he scrubs his face until all the spots of paint have gone. Are you feeling better? Asks Mum. Connor smiled and nodded. He feels much better now he doesn't have any spots. Mum smiled. Come on then, said Mum, and they went off to the shops.
Oh, you know, it's good that Jackson's better now. Yeah, but really, I need another patient now, Byron. Byron, you can be my patient.
Oh, no,
yeah,
Joe, but that was just a little sneasel.
Yes, but a sneeze is a sign of being ill.
But Jelly, I don't get ill.
No, there, Byron. You lie back. Have a rest.
No.
Yeah, Nurse Jelly will look after you. Shall I put a bandage on you?
But I'm not ill.
So why do you keep sneezing then? Yeah, was it the rain? Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I had my umbrella up to keep me dry.
Byron, you really should use your hanky when you sneeze.
You're right there, Nurse Gels. I don't want to spread any germs.
No. Oh, Byron, that's a nice rose in your jacket.
Yes. Rossetti gave it to me. Sweet.
Yeah. It smells lovely.
Yes.
Oh, you know what? Byron, maybe it's the rose that's making you sneeze. Yeah, that happens to me sometimes.
Yes, I think you're right, Nurse Gels.
Yeah.
How sad. Such a pretty rose.
But it would make a pretty story.
Right again, Nurse Gels.
Yeah.
Come on, let's make a story with it.
Okay, yeah. Story. Let's make a story. Will you help us with our story? Like this. Imagine a story. Oh, it's a Kevin the Spaceman story.
And it's called Planet Chill, Man. Sounds like my kind of story.
Kevin and Spanner in space to explore, seeking out planets never heard of before.
Spanner was sneezing as soon as he and Kevin started to explore this new planet. He was sneezing so hard he was almost flying. "What is it, Spanner?" asked Kevin, concerned. Kevin wasn't sneezing, but he had noticed a gorgeous smell in the air. Spanner's nose was tickling. Now he'd never be able to sniff for bones. I think I know why you're sneezing, Spanner," said Kevin. They were surrounded by tall, beautiful flowers. The flowers were every possible colour, with happy, smiley faces and the most amazing perfume. "It's the flowers. Their pollen's making you sneeze, Spanner." Spanner whined. He wished the sneezing would stop.
"Cool, man. Name's Kurt. What's with all the noise?"
said one of the flowers. Hello, Kurt, said Kevin. He'd never seen a flower with long hair and a beard before. I'm Kevin. Sorry, but Spanner here seems to have the sneezers. Kevin noticed that all the flowers were swaying gently to restful music. I love your music, Kurt, said Kevin. It's so relaxing.
Yeah, man, we're pretty laid back round here,
said Kurt.
We like to chill, man. In fact, this is Planet Chill, man.
Sneezed Spanner. He was a long way from feeling relaxed, let alone chilled.
I know how to stop that sneezing, little dude,
said Kurt. Do you? Asked Kevin. That'd be cool. Great. Spanner really hoped Kurt the bearded flower had some special powers. Another flower started playing a strange guitar, and Kurt began to chant,
"Oh, magic hanky, magic hanky, magic hanky, come down from on high."
As he chanted, a magic handkerchief floated down from the sky and landed on Spanner's nose.
"Take the magic hanky, and blow your nose, Spanner,"
chanted Kurt. Spanner blew his nose very loudly. Then the magic hanky floated into the sky once more. Immediately, Spanner's tickle went away, and he stopped sneezing. "It worked!" cried Kevin. "Thank you, Kurt."
"Anytime, man."
"I think it's time we left," said Kevin. "You have a beautiful planet, Kurt," said Spanner. He wanted to get back to the rocket quickly, just in case the sneezing started again.
"Cool, man,"
murmured Kurt.
"Have a good trip."
Sneezy old Spanner.
Yeah. Do you know, flowers make Byron sneeze too.
It's lucky that Spanner had a magic hanky to make his sneezes better.
Yes. Oh, look! Byron's dropped his hanky.
Oh.
Do you think it's a magic one?
Well, it could be.
Well, let's do some Byron magic. Yeah.
Oh, Jelly, I'm not sure.
Oh, come on. Oh, what should we wish for? Jelly beans. Yeah, we wish for lots of jelly beans. Yeah. But, Jackson,
What?
what's Byron's magic word?
Well, I think it is,
Yeah?
abracazut. Oh, goodness. I didn't know I could do that.
Yummy jelly beans. Yeah, let's eat some. Come on.
Okay, well, I'm sure just a few won't hurt. But, Jelly, why don't we make a story first?
No, you can, Jackson. Yeah, I'd better stay here and look after the jelly beans.
Well, I think the jelly beans would make a good story.
No.
What?
No, don't. We don't want to waste them.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Why don't you use a hanky instead?
Oh, okay, yes. Yeah. One hanky for the story machine.
Yes.
Don't eat all the jelly beans, Jelly.
I won't.
In it goes. Will you help me? You need lots of imagination to make a story. Imagine a story. Oh, here it comes, Jelly. It's a blue cow story, Jelly.
Oh.
And it's called Blue Cow and the Handkerchief.
In a field not far away is a herd of cows grazing quietly. One of the cows is most unusual. Blue Cow wonders about the big world beyond her field. One day, Blue Cow was looking at the other cows with their short noses. I wonder what it's like to have a huge nose. She's off again, said the other cows. So, Blue Cow caught the bus that stops beside her field. I'd like a ticket to meet an animal with a huge nose, please. There you go, madam. Hold very tight. And they set off for the jungle. And then they arrived. Strangely coloured plants, tall trees and vines surrounded Blue Cow. On the ground in front of her was what looked like a huge white sheet. That's strange, she thought, and picked it up. I think it's a giant handkerchief. The handkerchief was almost as big as Blue Cow. I wonder who it belongs to. It must certainly be an animal with a big nose. She put the handkerchief on her back and started to search for the owner. Eventually, she met a monkey with a pink bottom. Is this your hanky? Asked Blue Cow. The monkey picked his nose and ran off. Obviously not. Blue Cow kept walking. She could hear a sniffing sound in the distance. Blue Cow followed the sniffing sound until she saw a grey animal with a huge long nose. It looked unhappy and was sniffing extremely loudly. Hello, I'm Blue Cow. Have you lost this handkerchief?
Oh, you found my hanky.
It sniffed.
I'm Edgar. I'm an elephant, by the way.
Edgar sneezed, and the sneeze sent Blue Cow flying. She landed upside down in a prickly bush. Oh, bless you.
I'm sorry,
said Edgar.
I've got such a terrible cold, and I haven't been able to blow my nose without my hanky.
Oh, here you are, said Blue Cow, and gave Edgar his huge handkerchief. Edgar blew his nose with a loud popping sound.
Oh, that's much better. Do you want to blow your nose too?
He asked, offering Blue Cow the hanky.
Maybe another time,
said Blue Cow.
You'll never guess where I've been.
Where have you been?
I've been to a jungle and met an elephant with a huge handkerchief.
Everyone knows that elephants can't use handkerchiefs. But we know they can, don't we?
So, you used my hanky to make jelly beans, hmm?
Well, yes, but it did make a very good story too, Byron.
Yeah, it certainly did. And luckily, I have another one here.
Oh, good. Jelly? That pile of jelly beans is a lot smaller. Have you eaten them while I was making a story?
Well, I just had to check they were nice. Yeah.
Oh, looks like too many jelly beans have given our jelly queen a little bit of a stomachache, I think.
Yes, maybe it's time for Nurse Jelly to be the patient.
Yes.
No. Oh, look, it's getting light.
Oh, lucky escape, Gels.
Yeah.
You better skedaddle.
Yes, the children will be here soon.
Dawn is upon us, the morning is nigh. We've made our stories, and we bid you goodbye.
Story makers, working through the night till the rising sun. Story makers.
Come back soon.
Bye. Thanks for helping. Bye.
See you later, story maker.